What's up, guys? It's Sonic. I'm here with some Surging Sparks and Pokemon 151 for an opening today. Now I'm going to save this for the end, and let's start with some 151. Come on. Oh, of course, Pokemon Plastic. I have to go get some scissors. Alright, got some scissors. Now time to rip into some of these packs. Still haven't found any prismatic evolutions because Galpers suck, but here we go. Crack that 151 box. How do I even open these? Can't. How do I even here? That's going to rip this. How do you? There. I guess. Let's see. Pack spread. Let's see, which one should we get first? This one. Okay. So, first pack today. Careful not to cut the cards. I don't know what the card trick is on these, to be honest. So, I'm just gonna go grab it. So we got Gastly, Paris, Voltorbs, Machoke, Dewgong, Hitmonchan, Reverse Holo Magikarp, Reverse Holo Gloom, and a Holo Mr. Mime, and a Holo Energy card. Looks like there isn't really a pack trick on this. So pack 2, let's get into it. Yeah. Let's hope, I think the Surging Sparks, Pikachu, oh wait, no, this is 151. Not the Surging Sparks, never mind. I think this is, the pull is the Pikachu and the Charizard, pretty much, on these. So, let's pull this out. We got a Shelter, Bellsprout, Horsey, Nintendran, Seeking, Lapras, Cycling Road, Reverse Holo Seal, a Full Art, Shiny, don't know if, Electrode, and Fighting Energy. On to, third pack of the video. Pulling it out. Let's see. Voltorb, another one. Krabby, Sandro, Seal, Dugtrio, Hunter, Hitmonlee, Dome Fossil, Reverse Holo Paris, Holo Gyarados, and basic Fighting type Energy. So we're on to fourth pack. Let's go. Let's see. Pull them out. Got a Goldeen, Weeping Bell, Gastly. Got a Paris, mixed one, Magaton. We got Nidoqueen. We got Victibel. We got Pig D, Reverse Holo Gastly, and a Holo Mewtwo. That's some pretty good art right there. And Fire Energy. So let's take this up. Second to last pack of Pokemon 151. Let's see, we got the Dratini, Growlithe, Geodude, Jigglypuff. We got, what's that? The Graveler, Arcanine, Kingly, Reverse Holo Farewell, Reverse Holo Arcadactyl, and a Holo Omastar. Now, I have no idea what the hits look like. All I know is Charizard, pretty much. Don't know if it's a Holo or like a Full Art or EX. So, final pack here. Let's hope for some final pack magic. Let's see. We got a Farfetch'd, Old Amber Trainer, Pidgeotto, Magmar, Machoke, Dewing, is that Reverse Holo, I think? I have no idea. Dewong, Hitmonchan, Reverse Holo, Primate, Lickitung, and a holo Arcanoon. And whatever energy that is, I'm pretty sure it's dark. Well, no hits in 151, but we do got Surging Sparks here for the booster bundle. Rip into this. Take out that nice plastic. Here, let's see. Pretty sure there's a way to open this without ripping it. Is there? I don't think so. Oh wait, I'm dumb. Look at that beautiful art. And we pull it up. Nope. Well, just kind of fell out. So we got count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card packs of Surging Sparks. Right into it with this Egg Trio. I think that's what the name of the card is. Sparks right there. Let's see. So we got Applin, Duralon, Marilil, Quaxley, and a Philip. I'm not going to try and pronounce these names, honestly. I'll just let you see what they are. Meowstar Reverse Holo, Flap Reverse Holo, and a Kilowtrell EX. I have no idea if that's a good card. And Steel Energy. So, next pack. We got Pikachu pack right here. Oh, for Pikachu. Let's see. And then we got Diglett, Seal, Flap, Lapabé. Yeah. Ooh, that's cool. Is that shiny? Tauros, Latin, Reverse Holo, and a Holo. Fighting Energy. Okay. So far, no hits today. So far. But that's Pokemon. Honestly, you just gotta keep going until you get a hit. Honestly. And I think that's a green pack, which I think means bad luck. But, let's see, we got Togepi, Blap, Diglett, Magazone, Medding, Membo, Safadu, Spoopa, Dipper, and what is that? Ancient? Holo something. Gouging Fire Ancient. I have no idea. That's cool looking art for the background right here. Fire Energy, of course. And so we got 3 packs to go. Let's see. No Eevees yet. I love the Evolutions and Wooloo. Those are my favorite Pokemon, right? The Evolutions and the Wooloos. Stilo, Gidra, Jasmine Scale, Ring Steel, Reverse Holo, Smooching, Reverse. Oh shit! Oh no! Oh, okay. So that's definitely a something card. Prismatic, I think. EX. Have to look up that card later. Let me see if I had some plastic, but I lost it. But yeah, I would sleeve that right now if I had my sleeves with me. Not my usual setup. So we got something here. I'll set this off to the side. Look at that pile of cards right there. Okay, second to last pack. Let's see. We got that. Boop. Let's just speed through this. Boom. Reverse Holo, and a Holo. Boom. And then, final pack of the video. Can we get some final pack magic? Boom. Let's go for the Charizard or the Pikachu. Let's see. Boom. Boom. Nothing. No. So it's like this right here was the only hit. So, thank y'all for watching me just rip through this giant pile of cards. See you in the next one. Bye.